In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress theme in Hostinger, a reliable web hosting provider that many of you might already be familiar with. This process involves navigating through Hostinger's user-friendly panel to properly upload and install a theme, taking full advantage of its features. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the steps. First, you'll want to visit Hostinger's website by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is where you'll be able to access all the tools you need to manage your hosting services. Once you're on the home page, locate the Websites option and click on it. This will take you to the area where all your website settings and information are organized. Next, you'll arrive at the Dashboard section. From here, you can oversee the general health and stats of your website. This interface is quite intuitive, making it easy to locate the various functionalities provided by Hostinger. In the dashboard, look for the option labeled File. Clicking this will allow you access to the file management functions, essential for the task we're undertaking today. Within the Files option, proceed by selecting File Manager. This tool is incredibly helpful and is akin to the file management system on your computer, permitting you to upload, edit, and organize your website files with ease. Here you'll find an entry that says, Reach files of only this specific website. By selecting this, you're narrowing down your view to the files directly associated with your chosen website, thus eliminating any unnecessary clutter. Locate the folder named Public HTML and click on it. This directory is the root of your web domain where all the critical files are stored. Once inside, navigate further into the WP Content folder. This is a crucial directory that houses all your WordPress media files, plugins, and themes. Inside WP Content, you should find a folder labeled Themes. This is where any new WordPress theme files need to be uploaded. Click on the Themes folder to open it. To upload your theme, look for the File Upload option. Clicking on it will typically present you with an Upload button, allowing you to browse and select your theme files from your local storage. Finally, click on Upload to begin transferring your theme files from your computer to your WordPress site via Hostinger. Ensure the file format is correct, usually a zip file, and once your upload is complete, your new theme will be ready to activate and customize in your WordPress dashboard. That's it for this step-by-step guide on installing a WordPress theme using Hostinger. Remember, following these instructions carefully will help ensure a smooth installation process, allowing you to give your website a fresh, new look. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for support. Happy web designing!